Today is another junk removal SEO video. Hopefully it's pretty valuable. It'll be pretty simple, honestly. All we're doing is formatting headings, show you guys exactly what I would do, how I would start, just to see simple increases in rankings. Honestly, this is it. This is just what SEO is. It's pretty simple. If you guys want access to this Notion sheet, where it's everything from all of my videos, all the information in these little drop-down tabs, sign up for the newsletter in the description. You click confirm on the first email and you'll get sent straight to this. Junk removal SEO, building 100% in public. I'll remind you guys, a super cool guy named Andrew who has a junk removal YouTube channel hit me up and said like, hey, do my SEO in public. I want my audience to learn how to do it. I'm not really an expert. I'd like to see someone do it. I don't have time for it. So we're doing this for you guys. Google Search Console access. He gave me that, which is super nice. And then very interesting thing to note, hook your site up to this. Hook your site up to Google Search Console. I have had a client in the past who paid $30,000 for a website. They didn't pay that to me. It was a phenomenal website, but they were paying that person or that company to do SEO for them. And they were paying them to do SEO, and they didn't really do much, but they didn't even have their site hooked up to Google Search Console. And their site wasn't even indexed. So it was pretty crazy. Like most of their site didn't even show up on Google. And so once I started working with them, they were really, really happy right off the bat. Awesome. So today is just site formatting. There's really no reason to get access to this part of it. There's more valuable information in other parts of this Notion sheet. But we're doing it live for you guys. So when you load into Google Search Console, it's going to look like this. It's going to be overview, performance, just kind of looks like this, really simple. Yeah, just data tracking over time, pretty simple. It gives you like what parts of your sites are indexed or getting crawled, all that kind of good, interesting stuff. You mainly don't need to care about it. I mean, if parts of your site aren't getting indexed, that's a big deal, but we'll worry about that later. So this is their total clicks and total impressions over time. This is 3 months, 0.8% click-through rate. Not very good. We'll get that up. It's not the worst I've seen, though, for sure. And then we'll do last 6 months. We'll see if it varies at all. It seems like they get spikes every now and then, but nothing really, really crazy, right? And then we'll get it way out there. 16 months, this is just the range. You can compare it to other sections. So this is what you do when you're comparing data. So when I start working, I'm going to compare like this to see how it was before and how it will be after I've started working. So you can see nothing's really changed in a long time. Like we pretty much stay right around 1.5, go a little up, little down. So hopefully we can get you up to like 3, 4K, right? That'd be the goal. Average position 29.6. And these are the top queries. Junk removal, obviously. Jedi junk removal. Jedi junk. Junk removal Los Angeles, we get a ton of impressions for and not insane amount of clicks. Average position 11.5. It's just really good data. It's going to be the most accurate data you can get. Google Search Console and Google Analytics are going to be the best, obviously. Ahrefs will do, though. Like if you want something, you could do Ahrefs. But if you don't want to pay $100 a month, $200, $300 a month, just do Google Search Console. It's completely free. You hook your site up. It's really self-explanatory. You just go up here and hit Add Site, and then you do a little verification thing in the DNS settings. Not crazy complicated. Maybe I'll make a video on it. Junk removal, a lot of impressions. 1,000 Oaks, nice. So that's a top query. 4,000 impressions, 47 clicks. Jedi junk removal Los Angeles, that's good. Just brand reputation. And we don't need to go through all these. Pretty cool. We want to get these clicks way, way, way up. Because, I mean, that's money, that's dollars for our client. So time to get to the really boring stuff, honestly. So we'll just throw Jedi junk removal into Ahrefs really quick. There we go. Let's see how we're looking. Nice. So this is honestly, it's more digestible than Google Search Console in my opinion. So we got really good DR like we said. Okay amount of keywords. Good amount of referring domains. And I imagine they're all like pretty specific to the niche unless he's bought like bad links or something. Slowly but steadily climbing. And then let's see our top keywords, right? Just a good refresher, always to see junk removal, see what pages rank the highest. So this is homepage, homepage, homepage. And I'm not sure yet because we're 15th for junk removal Los Angeles. I'm not going to dabble because it's the homepage that ranks for it. I'm not going to change the H1 there yet. I'll change all the other ones first, and we got a lot of work to do, like a lot. This video might be long. I sped up one of the videos, but everyone got mad at me because they're like, well, that's exactly what we want to see. So I guess I'll not speed it up. Jedi junk removal reviews. Thousand Oaks seems like our top one. Keyword difficulty 4. It's our top page beyond junk removal guide, Los Angeles. Yeah, so we got to make sure all these other pages are indexed. But first, we'll get the format right. And honestly, it's this simple. He gave me access to his Wix website. If you guys want to build a super clean, super simple website, I'm nearly positive he built this himself. So yeah, I think anyone could do it. I've never played with Wix, but I'm learning how right now. Yeah, so this is once I'm in the editor. I don't know if you guys want to see, but I'm pretty sure I went to website and then edit site. Yep. And then I figured out how to edit heading tags. So pretty much what we're going to do is compare and contrast the real website, look at the title tag. So we'll just start with, guys, these are all the pages I have to go through as an SEO and optimize. This is a big deal. Yeah, so we're going to start with our services and go through all these and fix the H1 tags. And that's straight up it. Like, it's going to be simple. It's going to be boring. But if you guys want to rank your service-based business, this is how you do it. This is what it takes. So we got 2 H1 tags on our services, residential. This should be residential junk removal because that's what we want to rank for, right? So we go to pages and our services, residential. Nice. I was just guessing. I've never actually done that before too. And then, so we'll go to the real website. There's probably a better way to do it, but this is how I would do it. You can just Jedi junk removal to handle all your junk removal needs. That could be an H2. That can also be an H2. I think I will change that. We'll see. See, this is where it takes like the human part of you. So this is obviously an H1, and this is the H1. And then I'm pretty sure you go edit text, and then that's a H1. I think we just want to change this to residential junk removal because I'm pretty sure every page is the same. Like if we go to commercial, it's you can trust Jedi junk removal to handle. Oh, we did that one right. Is this one right? This is the process. H1 apartment house moving cleanup. So that's correct. So that doesn't look bad at all. Let's keep going down. Maybe this will be quicker than I thought. This would be really nice. Headings, apartment services. I think we'd want to change that to apartment junk removal because not entirely sure. Let's see. Headings. That's a huge H2. What we take, residential, commercial services, book now. And we could interlink these like crazy. One-time pickups. Are they interlinked? So there's no interlinking. That's such a good thing to add. Okay, so these are links. Good. But we can add in-text links, hyperlinks. So yeah, it just seems like this first one we have to fix. I think we'll just change this to residential junk removal. See, this is why Wix is awesome. You just move stuff like that. Make it look a little better. Spacing doesn't look weird. Good. And we'll change this to an H2. Edit text. Was it an H1? That must just be the pre-formatting. So it's size 30, bold, color. So we're just going to have to change it ourselves. H2. What's this? Size 30, bold, that color green. Guys, look at me. Boom. So now it's an H2. Doesn't look any different. And this is what we're going to do over the whole site. So it's going to be long. It's going to be in-depth. But this is what it takes. In another video, we'll hyperlink. In another video, we will build links. We'll format. We'll write new content. We'll see what's duplicate. Overall, it's such a good site, though. Honestly, you did good. I'm not sure if every part of it's indexed because it should be ranking for way more than 300 keywords. Like, I know sites that get like 30 traffic that rank for more than 300 keywords. So headings, apartment services. So we already checked residential. Let's double check it, make sure detailed. This extension for all these headings I'm using is the detailed extension. If you guys know how to use Wix better than I do, comment down below. Like, this might be a super humbling experience. I know SEO, but like, I honestly am not huge on the technical side anymore. Like, I know how it works, but I don't use different web developers and stuff like that. I use Webflow and WordPress, so Wix is kind of fun to use. So that should be H3s right here. So we'll go H2 to H3. And I get some of this stuff doesn't even like you pro SEOs are going to be like, whoa, don't sweat it, you know, like you don't need to sweat H2 to H4. I want to do everything right. Like I want to get this site right. I want to do every part of it right, you know? So there's really no excuses why it shouldn't rank. Where does it say this? So just so you guys know, I'm pressing Command F to search for where. Oh, these are all H4s? Is that what it is? Carpets, office furniture. It must be. And when you click on these, is it like... It changes to carpet removal services, though. How interesting. Maybe we will leave that. So there's carpets, but... Heading 4. Let's see if this jacks everything up. Yeah, it will. Wow. So this is going to be complicated to really edit. Do I really want to do this? It's all hyperlinked. Size 21. Underline black. Can always go back. H3. Size 20. Oh, 21. Not bold. Underline. Not. We did something wrong. We're going back. Honestly, we're going to leave that because I'm jacking it up. This is where I would get my website guy, the on-site specialist, to really deal with this. I know I could get it, but there's more important things than an H2 to an H4. I know I said I want to get everything. We'll come back to it if this page isn't ranking. Yeah, I guess let me know what you guys think. Basically, this is it. I don't know if you... I'm not going to show you guys everything for this because I'm just going through every page right now. We're only going through our services and fixing the heading tags. So these, I'm going to go through each one, fix the heading tags. You guys kind of get the idea. Appliance removal services. Make sure the heading's there. H1. So we got one H1. We got two H2s, so let's fix that. Let's see if this page ranks for anything. Just as a quick experiment. Because it should. See, it doesn't. That's what's strange. It should rank for at least appliance removal, and let's go like this, honestly. This is a quick trick, a random trick within the video for those who stayed. Let's see if it's even on Google. Uh-oh. Guess who's going to light up this site? We're going to absolutely blow it up. So we're going to kill it. What I just did there is see if that page is even indexed. So it looks like Jedi Junk Removal is going to have the same problem as my previous client, where they have this sweet website, should be ranking for like hundreds of thousands of keywords. So this is honestly really exciting for someone like me because I'm going to fix the whole site, fix the headings, fix the format, and then we're going to get it all indexed, and they're going to see the most incredible boost ever. It's going to be awesome. So I'll keep going. I'll do a few more headings for the video, and then that'll be it. That is exciting to see. So we're going to fix everything and then get it all indexed. Sometimes it's just the simplest stuff, but that was exciting to find, right? You got to figure out why it's not ranking. It's obviously, it's not this stuff. Like Google figures out and ranks way, way, way worse stuff, but this isn't even indexed. So that means these aren't indexed, and we're going to add map embeds, all the right headings, some new content. It's going to be really, really good. So I'll do appliance removal, and then we'll end the video. So that'll be it. So let's go to pages. I hope you guys like this. I don't know. I feel like there's a lot of haters, but can't make everyone happy. So I do what I can. They're super raw, just normal videos. We'll make this one the H2. I like that better because it has some of our keywords in it. Edit text, Montserrat, 56, bold. H2, Montserrat, 56, and bold. Boom. Oh, it's not black. Edit text. Let's get that black. Boom. So that is the heading structure. That's all we're doing today. I'm just going to show you how to do. I'm going to do all these headings. Maybe I'll split it up into shorter videos so you guys can see different styles. But that's it. We're fixing the headings. And then we saw that little clue of that the page wasn't indexed because it should have been ranking when I put in Hrefs. It should have at least one keyword or 10 or 20. That's why it's so strange that usually an SEO can tell right off the bat if we have a DR like that and we're ranking for some gnarly keywords like junk removal Los Angeles, but we only have 320 keywords. Wow, traffic is down a lot. Then something's wrong. So the site's not indexed or something weird is going on. So that was it. We found it, and we're going to fix the site, and then we're going to get it indexed, and then I'm going to get paid more because we're going to start ranking for some crazy terms, guaranteed, and make them so much more money. Like, guys, he is missing out on so much money because just parts of his site aren't indexed. I'm going to be honest, like, no shade to anyone. Like, how would you know if you don't know SEO or don't think about this kind of stuff? But this is the case for a lot of websites and a lot of business owners. Yeah, let's check the headings one last time. H2s, we got H3s. Nice, this format's perfect. So that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.